Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Omni. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings, then we'll search about Omni app and we click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your